Hello, welcome, and thanks for joining us for the latest news and the latest updates wherever you are. And where you're tuning in from, we are very grateful. But kindly don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification button for more of these updates. Parliament shuts down as Speaker Oulanya and 200 MPs contract COVID-19. Once again, thanks for joining us, but let's take more look into some of these details. The clerk to Parliament has announced a shutdown of the August House to legislators for a period of 2 weeks after a spike in the number of COVID-19 infections among MPs and some staff. According to reliable reports, the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Jacob Oulanya, is one of the critically ill pillars of the August House. And one of the local media platforms reported that government is apparently embroiled in a struggle to airlift Oulanya to a hospital outside the country. However, Oulanya's social media team hurriedly came out to disregard the reports as non-factual and devoid of substantial proof. But the same team could not at least avail footage evidence of the Speaker to prove if he is really healthy. Now today, the Office of the Clerk of Parliament has come with a communication justifying the closure of Parliament. Parliament of Uganda, like the rest of the country, has been infected by the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic with a positivity rate of 17%, reads part of the communication. Another media outlet has today reported that at least 200 MPs have contracted the novel coronavirus disease, which has now made their legislative work an impossibility. We are yet to justify the reports as more information unfolds. Recently, during the inauguration for cabinet ministers, about 20 did not show up to take the oath. And in the letter written by Parliament of Uganda, Office of the Clerk to the Parliament, it wrote saying that in the reference it was closure of Parliament to members of Parliament for 2 weeks. And it said that you will recall that Honorable Speaker of Parliament adjourned the House since dying on Monday, 14th June 2021. Parliament of Uganda, like the rest of the country, has been affected by the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic with a positivity rate of 17.1%. As a mitigating measure in the prevention of the COVID-19 infection, the administration of Parliament, in consultation with the Office of the Speaker, is closing Parliament to honorable members of Parliament for a period of 2 weeks in order to disinfect the parliamentary buildings. This notice will take effect from Monday, 28th June 2021 to Sunday, 11th July of 2021. So members are advised to adhere to these instructions. The letter was signed by Waswa Henry for Clerk to Parliament. So that is the communication from the Office of the Clerk of the Parliament to the members of Parliament about the closure of the Parliament House for the period of 2 weeks, as some members of the Parliament are suffering COVID-19 infections, and they're trying to disinfect the houses so as to fight the COVID-19 spread. Well, that is it for now. Thanks for watching. We will keep on updating with more of this, but kindly don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification button for more of these updates.